Driven by a passion for digitalization, Coach RM Lobaton recognized the potential for the accommodation industry to be dominated by online booking distributions. He practiced as a gross profit coach at Direct with Hotels Incorporated, where he was responsible for acquiring hotel properties in his assigned location and maintaining existing hotel partners, helping them maximize revenue by encouraging direct bookings on their hotel websites. While managing the hotel and concurrently serving as a gross profit coach, he deepened relationship and connections with online travel agencies, traditional travel agencies, hoteliers, and influencers. This experience served as a milestone in his journey, propelling him to become an expert in sales and marketing, reservations, and proficient in handling social media platforms. For almost 16 years in the hospitality industry, last 4 years ago, our speaker founded OC Via or Lifestyle Marketing Consulting Services, dedicated in assisting businesses in growing online. Today, he served as the exclusive distributor and consultant of Star Philippines in Boracay, offering online booking distribution management and social media management services. He welcomes partnership and can be easily be connected with us later. Perhaps he can leave us with his information. And he is also an integrated coach, providing behavioral training, counseling, team building, and motivation to help individuals find genuine happiness in life. Additionally, he serves as a local TV host, event host, and content creator. Ladies and gentlemen, with warm welcome of applause, please give it up for Mr. RM Lobaton, TV host and marketing director, and former general manager of Coco Loco Boracay and marketing manager of Linganay Boracay, to talk about embracing the future in digital marketing and hospitality and tourism.
Mabuhay! So everybody, say mabuhay! Ay, ang galing. Kung ganitong student ko, talagang magiging masaya ako. Ayun, so masigabong pagpalakpakan para sa lahat. Ayun, so I'm so happy na lahat kayo ay kumakain. At sa aking topic ay hindi kayo matutulog kasi busog kayo. Ayun, okay. Napakaganda ng diniscuss po ni Ma'am Rebecca, ni Ma'am May, no? Kasi it's all about your career enhancement and career possibilities, no? Kasi, kumbaga pa, ang pinaka-importante sa atin lahat is to have our own self-confidence. Are you confident to be a professional someday? Sure? All right. First activity that I would like to have you today is anyone has your cell phone? Yes? Pakuha naman ang cellphone ninyo, please. Pakuha ng cellphone. Pataas po, pakuha po. Ayun. Yung iba dyan ha. Tuk-tuk. Ayun. So gagawin po natin, let's do a selfie together. Okay ba yan? Okay, kung dyan ka, syempre, selfie kasama ako. Kung dito naman ako, kasama kayo. Okay lang? Grabe, sabi ni Ma'am, ano ba yung tinuturo ni RM? Parang pagpipicture lang. Yeah. Okay, let's do a selfie together, guys. Okay lang? Sige, kunin niyo yung cellphone ninyo. Mag-selfie tayo, please. Alright, sige na. Selfie tayo. This is part of our activity and may gagawin tayo dito. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Ayan, 1, 2, 3. Okay, kukuha ko ng video. Mag-hi kayo, ha? Say together hi, okay? Nakakaway-kaway dapat, ha? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Say hi! Ayun, napakaganda. So, salamat po sa inyong partisipasyon, no? So, ang gagawin po